In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Visa gift card on Etsy. First, make sure you already have the items you want to buy added to your cart. If you haven't done that yet, take a moment to browse Etsy, find the products you like, choose the size or options you need, and click Add to Cart. Once you're ready to pay, go to your Etsy Marketplace dashboard by opening the Etsy website and making sure you're signed in to your account. In the top right corner of the Etsy page, you'll see a little basket or cart icon. This icon takes you straight to your shopping cart, where you can review everything you're about to purchase. Click on that basket icon. On the cart page, double-check your items, quantities, and any personalization or variations, because once you check out, it can be harder to make changes. Also confirm that the total amount, including shipping and tax, does not exceed the balance available on your Visa gift card. Now scroll down to the area where Etsy shows different payment methods. This is usually labeled something like how you'll pay or payment options. In this section, look for the Visa logo or the credit and debit card option that supports Visa. Even though you're using a gift card, Etsy treats a Visa gift card just like a regular Visa credit or debit card at checkout. Click on the Visa option so Etsy knows you want to pay using a Visa card. Once you've selected Visa as your payment method, look for the button that says Proceed to Checkout. Go ahead and click that. Etsy will now take you to the secure checkout page where you can enter your payment details and confirm your order. If you haven't already added your shipping address, you may be asked to do that here as well. On the checkout page, you'll see fields for card number, expiration date, security code or CVV, and the name on the card. Take your Visa gift card and carefully enter the card number exactly as it appears on the front, the expiration date, and the security code from the back. Type the name on the card as instructed on the card packaging or as printed on the front. Treat it exactly like a normal Visa card. Before you submit, make sure the card balance covers the full total. Many Visa gift cards cannot be split across multiple payment methods online. When everything looks correct, confirm the payment, and your Etsy order will be placed using your Visa gift card.